Hello students and welcome to week 10 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we are covering chapter 10, which is over the socio-emotional development in adolescence. So last week we set the stage for adolescence and looked at growth and puberty and some issues around being an adolescent, and now we're going to really deep dive into the socio-emotional side of adolescence. So let's take a look at your module for the week. I'll come back and talk about the critical analysis assignment at the end. You have a chapter 10 video assignment over the importance of peers and your chapter 10 quiz. And then let's look at this scholarly article. So this is one of those pieces that fits into your lifespan project, okay? So there is a video here for you to refer to where I will cover this in much greater detail in this video, but here what I want to just kind of briefly summarize for you is that you're going to find a peer-reviewed article. It can be a topic of your choice as long as it relates back to lifespan growth and development to this course. So it doesn't matter what stage of the lifespan. It can be a topic that we talked about in class that maybe you wrote a discussion question about and you want to dive deeper into it, or it can be a topic that's related but wasn't necessarily covered in great detail in your book and you want to learn more about it. So find that peer-reviewed article from the SAC library, use the databases because that will ensure that it's peer-reviewed, and then you're going to answer these questions. You're not really writing a paper. What I'm asking that you do is break down the article and show me that you understand the components of the article. So keep that in mind as you choose your article, the length, how confusing it is, all of those things. And I'm not looking for a specific length in this response. I really just want you to answer these questions. So make sure that you thoroughly answer the question, and that's how long it needs to be. And then do not forget, you can see the grading rubric down here. Don't forget to provide the appropriate APA reference for your article. So if you're still struggling with understanding how to format your reference in APA, the questions don't have to be in APA, just the reference for the article that you used needs to be in APA format. OWL Purdue, simply pull up Google, put in OWL, O-W-L, stands for Online Writing Lab, Purdue University. They have a wonderful online writing lab that will help you greatly with that APA referencing for the article that you chose. So hopefully this helps. If you need some more understanding of this assignment, please check out this video. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.